All right, guys, I'm coming to you live from the Paleo Test Kitchen. I'm about to send you a tasteful ballad. Come right back for my chicken Paillard with cucumber salad. Woo! Keep it Paleo. We'll start off with Paillard. What is that? It's kind of a French cutlet type thing. Sometimes they're pounded flat. We're just gonna use a regular chicken breast and a slicer. So one regular breast, maybe sliced into 3. Now what's the reason for this? What we're gonna do is kind of thin it out, increase the surface area. That'll give us more flavor, and we'll also cook the breast faster without drying out. I'm gonna season the top of this with my Gaga garlic. Cross. Okay. Preheated cast iron skillet over here. Hit it with some olive oil, season side down in the pan. Then once those are in, season the top side. Next up are our cucumbers. I got 4 large ones. I'm gonna start by peeling them. Next we'll check in on our chicken. Right there, we're getting a little sear on it. This is a nice one right here. I'm gonna turn that guy. And then back to our cucumbers. Let's cut the ends off of these. And then we'll slice away. Cucumbers are done. Check in on our chicken. Flip the guys we haven't flipped yet. We add a little more oil to the pan to keep things moving. All right, and then we'll check out our dressing. I've got a bowl here, maybe half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of Massie mayo. I'm gonna give a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. Golden. All right, now we're gonna throw our cucumbers in here. Toss that around, leave our... And then we'll set that aside. To bring a little color in and some freshness, we've got some flat leaf parsley. I'm gonna pull this from the stems, something like that. And these guys I'm gonna leave for garnish. I'll run my knife through here. Beautiful, that's good enough for me. We'll go into the salad. And then a half of a red onion. And that will julienne. Get that in the salad. This is a common salad in my homeland of Minnesota. I don't know if it's German or Norwegian or what it is. They'll typically add a bunch of sugar to it. But if you mix this up, you'll see that we don't need the sugar. We'll get a little sweetness from our balsamic vinegar that we're gonna serve this with. But it's a perfect pair to our chicken Paillard. All right, guys, over here, it looks like chicken's done. We've got a nice sear on both sides, lots of flavor. Time to plate. We set up a bed of our cucumber salad, top that with chicken, and finish with the drizzle of our Villa Mondadori balsamic vinegar. By the time the chicken's cooked, the salad's ready, it all comes together quickly, guys. Get out there, give this one a try, and at all times, do your best to keep it paleo.